Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Husna binti Ismail with metric number 1171476. Today I would like to present to you my industrial training report at Syaidun bin Awang Empire Sedran Berhad. Before I go to more details, I would like to introduce my university supervisor, which is Professor Madya Dr. Alina binti Abdul Rahim, and my industry supervisor, Puan Nur Arizah binti Nayan. The outline of my video presentation including company profile, tasks accomplished during internship, skills acquired, challenges and solutions, suggestion of improvement and conclusion. First and foremost, we go through the company profile. Syaidun bin Awang Empire Sdn Bhd is a food manufacturer company that produces three types of products, which are soy sauce, and artificial vinegar. I chose the company as my internship placement because it is near to my house. The address of the company is number 55 Kampung Padang, Muking, Gajah Mati, 06400 Pokok Senar Kedah. You can visit the Facebook page of the company at Sos Chili dan Kicap Dun. The picture at the right is the view in front of the warehouse. Okay, now I will tell you briefly about the background of company. Firstly, the history of company. The company was established since year 2000 that produces and supplies chili sauce, soy sauce and artificial vinegar based product in a small scale. The company has certification of Halal certified by JAKIM, Mesti certification and Muzaki from Lembaga Zakat Negeri Kedah. The company is under guidance of MARA, RISDA, MARDI and Department of Agriculture. The number of workers is 15 workers from the top management until the workers of the company. The vision of the company is leading production of products based on Sharia-compliant chili sauce, soy sauce, and artificial vinegar, while the missions first to manufacture and distribute Sharia-compliant chili sauce-based product in Malaysia. Second, manufacture and distribute Sharia-compliant soy sauce-based product in Malaysia. And the third one is to manufacture and distribute Sharia-compliant vinegar-based product in Malaysia. Do you know what is the best part of this company? So I will tell you right now. The company is a producer of soybean water fermentation by their own, which is known as Moromi water. What is Moromi water? Moromi water is the main substance of the soy sauce production. The process is initiated by the owner of the company after she learned from Mardi. Usually, in food industry, the food manufacturer of soy sauce import the soybean water fermentation from another country like China because it is more cheaper and affordable to buy. So here I attached two pictures, which are the picture at above show the tongue fiber that contains soybean water fermentation, while the picture at below is soybeans that are being coated with flour before being fermented. Second part of this video is about the tasks that I accomplished during the internship. During my internship, I was assigned into three sections of the company. Firstly, the administration section, where I audited the sales and invoice, then key in the data into the company system, which is the SQL system. Then I was managed to make the amendment report of Mesti during the inspection, and I also assisted the pest control services. For the marketing section, during the early internship, I was handled and updated the Facebook post twice a week, and I also experienced how negotiation process to offer the company product entered to the market. Then I was intern majorly as operator production, and some of tasks that I had done were I handled labeling stickers at variety types of bottles. I also assisted expired date and manufacturing date manually and automatic by machine. I also operated the fermentation process of soybean water. I performed process of vinegar production, and I also handle high technology machines such as coffee packaging machine, jet streaking machine, and filling automatic machine. I also perform filling process of chili sauce manually, and then I counted the stock of raw materials either balance in the lorry or at the storeroom. Next, my supervisor was given the project to me and the other intermates, so we decided to produce the cordial drink based on three types of flavor, which are sarsaparilla, corn flavor, and lychee flavor. Each of the flavor was produced 40 of bottles, and we decided to give to the staff of the company. After that, we go to the skills acquired during the internship. Some of the skills that I had acquired during my industrial training were independence, benefits of networking, time management, and knowledge in production process. The next part of the video is about the challenges and the solution. Based on my observation during the industrial training, there are three challenges that I was listed out of the company. The first one is the limitation of electrical power supply to support the whole warehouse, where when the one machine is run, the another machine cannot be run because it is a limited of the work time. So to improve the challenges, the company might be increase the power supply by adding the work time. Next, the delaying late supply of bottles, caps, and labeling stickers from the supplier that make the production become slower. So the solution to overcome the challenges is to keep contacting and updating with the supplier earlier when there is lack of bottles, caps, and labeling stickers to prevent delay issues arise. And the last one of the challenge is the shortage of raw materials, either dry materials or wet materials. The operation teams must to recheck the raw materials in and out and alert when there is a shortage and have backup of any available sources of supplying the materials. When the solution are implemented, then there are no challenges of the company. Then this the second last of my video presentation, which is the suggestion of improvement. There are several suggestions of improvements toward the company. The first is the company representative can join any e-seminar online among the companies about the entrepreneurship and business that will be organized by government agencies to enhance the company competencies. Next, in terms of the packaging can also be improved, such filling in tube or sachet package to make sure the customer can bring the products at anywhere during their travel. Next, since the company is producing the soybean water fermentation by their own, they can refer to the technique of Japan and Korea in terms of applying the fermentation technique. Hence, the marketing teams need to create the YouTube channel and advertise their process of fermentation, the soybean water, morame water, to make sure that the people will know more about the company. The company can act as a supplier fermentation of soybean to food manufacturer that handle food based from soybeans. Then the company can provide and form mini quality control team to the intern students and provide thesis title associated with the food products for students so that they can make a research and improve the company products. So the last part of the video is the conclusion. To conclude, this company is a wealth and vivid for students to perform their industrial training as the company can provide guidance and the student can practice the both technical and non-technical skills before going out in the real working environment. Before I'm going to end my presentation, this is the appendix that shows my picture during the industrial training. Lastly, thank you for watching my video presentation.